Okay. Good evening to the resource person of the day, Dr. Tariq Hussain sir, and all the participants and my dear colleagues of St. Mary's Seminary Degree College. On behalf of management and all the faculty members of St. Mary's Seminary Degree College, Secunderabad, we welcome you all to the 5-day National Online Faculty Development Program on Innovation, Startups, and Research Challenges in India. So, as a part of session day 4, we have two sessions today. Session 1 will be taken by Dr. Tariq Hussain Sheikh sir on recent patents and innovation practices. And one more session will be taken by Dr. Gaurav Gupta sir on artificial intelligence in startups. So, without much delay, I would like to welcome Dr. Sirisha ma'am, Associate Professor, Department of Business Management, St. Mary's Seminary Degree College, to present the profile of Dr. Tariq Hussain. Over to Sirisha ma'am.
Yeah, a very good evening to all of you. It's my privilege to welcome Dr. Tariq sir here. He has a very, very rich profile, which would take a lot of time to read, but definitely I would like to introduce all of it. And he's been a very, I mean, he has a very commendable uh, contribution in academics. So, and his rich profile says all about it. He's been actually actively involved in teaching learning, and he's been currently working with government degree college in Poonch, and he has a vast inputs in computer science department. His major contribution is in that department, including computer fundamentals of digital electronics, and so on. He has a contribution in that. And then at present, he's also guided 4 PhD scholars are working under his supervision, and he is a member of a lot of editorial boards of a lot of journals also. One of the premium one is Journal of Allied Practice and Research and Review, and Journal of IT and Engineering. And he is also on the editorial board of journal series in multidisciplinary research. And at the same time, he has been prominently featuring in a lot of FDBs, where he's given talks on various FDB programs conducted by different colleges and different organizations. Few of them could be like an expert talk on e-learning tools, and he's spoken on IT tools for teaching and learning also. At the same time, he's been awarded with many more medals and awards, and his contribution in conferences where he received best paper presentation awards are also in a lot. I mean, the number is very big. I can't read all of them. It would take a session's time if I read his profile. But his contribution is there in NSS. At the same time, he's been given a certificate of appreciation from Government Degree College Poonch uh, for providing assistance for uploading all the data for all India Survey of Higher Education in 2017-18. At the same time, he received a certificate on IMRF Best Thesis Award on the eve of IMRF's 160th International Gathering and International Conference on Industrial Applications of Mathematics, Statistics, and Computer Science. Actually, sir, seeing your vast area, I can say that our participants would receive a lot of input from you on patents, innovations, and practices. And this session, I hope, would be very, very fruitful for all of us to be, I mean, participating in it. Thank you, sir. We welcome you. And session is over to Mr. Dr. Tariq, sir. Please take over from here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Sirisha ma'am.
Of St. Mary's Centenary Degree College and our family of St. Mary's, I would like to offer a vote of thanks to Dr. Tariq Hussain for giving us valuable inputs on recent innovations and patents, which actually he got. That is, particularly, he was actually focusing on social causes, and for which he tried to find out solutions, like for human implants and imbalance in water distribution. So he tried to come up with his solutions, and he shared his solutions with us, for which he's got Australian patents. And both of the causes, or both of the patents that he has actually talked about, were focusing on the social issues that he addressed. And he says that if you see a social problem, find a solution to it, find a physical solution to it, actually try to imply it and then patent it. So basically identifying the problem and coming up with a solution and then coming up with an innovative solution which would lead to patents. So that's what his idea was on his recent innovations, and his presentation was talking about those things. Thank you so much, sir, for giving your valuable time to us and sharing your research and your expertise on the area of whatever, like biomedicine and organ implants that were made out of 3D printers and all those things. This was a really very good insight that we got. Seeing a social cause, coming up to a solution and making a patent out of it is a very nice idea, and people should try to, if they want to develop, if they want to grow in such an area and they want to have patents, they should focus on problems and find solutions to it. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Kalyani ma'am. And thank you everyone for joining and participating in the session.
Thank you, Dr. Sivi Sharma. Thank you, Dr. Tariq Hussain, sir. Hope you will get good number of people asking you, approaching you for different type of queries for IPRs and patents. Please guide them. Definitely, we look forward to associate with you in the future also. Thank you, sir.
Dr. Hussain, it was a nice lecture.